We're giving back to you, our TubeBuddy community, for the holidays. We've had an amazing year here at TubeBuddy, accompanied with astonishing growth and faces old and new to the TubeBuddy YouTube channel. Now we want to share that happiness with you. As a special gift from us here at TubeBuddy, we're letting you upgrade your license for free now until Christmas Day as a part of our 12 Days of TubeBuddy celebration. But more info on that later in the video. We also want to offer someone a chance to win a ticket to attend one of the many VidCons, be it VidCon London, VidCon Europe, VidCon US, or VidCon Australia. We want to help someone get there. We're also giving away 5 YouTube expert channel reviews from people such as myself, Andrew Can, and frequent TubeBuddy guest Nick Nimmin. This will let you see what you're doing right on your channel and what you need to work on. To enter the giveaway and to get started on your free TubeBuddy upgrade, check out the link on screen now, tubebuddy.com/12 days of TubeBuddy. And just because we're celebrating the holiday season with you here at TubeBuddy does not mean we're done with videos for the year. On the contrary, you may have seen some of these already, but we've got a better designed Keyword Explorer, TubeBuddy menu, forums, and something coming up that you definitely won't want to miss. To be sure you're staying up to date with all things TubeBuddy, hit that subscribe button. To take advantage of the 12 days of TubeBuddy, check out the link on screen or click the link in the pinned comment down below. If you want to give a fellow YouTuber the gift of TubeBuddy, share the link to the 12 days of TubeBuddy. From all of us here at TubeBuddy, happy holidays. Well, if you wonder what I do behind the scenes, this is it. Of course. Because of all these sound distractions, here are the 12 days of TubeBuddy, sung. On the 12th day of TubeBuddy, TubeBuddy gave to me 12 Robertos ranting, 11 Owens owning, 10 D's a phoning, 9 Nick's a Nimmin, 8 Beanies drawing, 7 creators creating, 6 Brian G's yodeling, 5 Dan Norton pineapple juice, thank you Neil crypto cruising, 4 Gordon's teaching, 3 Shelly's saving, 2 TubeBuddy tools, and an Andrew Can butchering singing. Happy holidays, guys.